So here we go. I want to mount the my Bauer chop saw on this stand, the Ryobi miter saw stand that I've had for some time now, and the Masterforce Rapid tool clamps seem to be the exact ones that Ryobi makes. So I found some generic ones on Amazon for $31, and depending on where on Amazon I get the Ryobi ones from, they're anywhere around $50, $54. Some are cheaper with $25 shipping. But as I said, these are exactly the same as the Ryobi. From the adjustment bolt in the bottom here to the clamping mechanism on the side. So I think what I'm going to have to do is I will cut down angle to fit to the side of the chop saw and then mount directly onto these rails with shorter bolts than the, I don't know, 2.5, 3-inch bolts that came with the stands, the mounts. And they do come with offset mounts if you have a weird mounting pattern, because these are 4 miter saws. So this one's a little different. But I think what I'm going to do is cut these down, put it on the inside of the chop saw, and probably, depending how level they get, I'll either bolt them in place or just tack them along the bottom here. Not quite sure. We'll see where this goes. And there it is. A couple hours worth of cutting, grinding, welding, a little bit of spray paint, and we are done. Thing mounts up just like the miter saw. Keeps me from having to work on the floor. And that's it. Any questions, throw them in the comments, and we will see you on the next one.